Good morning, guys. Another random 3D printed item. Another Fidget toy. I think it's PrintingPaul or something. I may have got his name wrong. I will check later. But that's it. That goes in there like that. It's sprung loaded. And you can sort of fiddle with it. Fidget with it, isn't it? Doesn't do anything other than that. But there you go. Straight off the print bed. Clips together. In the comments I saw some people had glued theirs. So I expect it will, it will lift off. He's got several versions of different tolerances for tighter fit. I chose the looser fit. Yeah. Well, there we go. PrintingPaul, I think.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.